Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I've decided to share with you a clip here taken from a weekday video, a video that I record every day early in the morning for my subscribers, and how I prepared them today for the jump that we had in gold and silver, and how I traded it myself today in the morning in preparation, and how I believe I can help you with my daily videos, as I've had some fantastic wave counts working out perfect in the last 2 months for a long time, but recently we have caught the entire move in gold and silver right from the start, and also we had an excellent handle on the situation with the US dollar. And I think that this clip would give you a very good example what I'm doing with my daily videos, in addition to the very lengthy and comprehensive video that I prepare often on the weekends, that helps people to get a big picture view, things that I don't usually have enough time to do during the weekdays. I dwell on the long-term wave counts during the weekend video. And also, you will have a chance to see why I think that my service is worth at least 10 times the modest price that I am charging for it. Hope you enjoy the clip. I'll be talking to you again after the clip ends in case you want further information about my service. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. Here are the charts that I prepared for this video. I have the dollar index, the euro US dollar, Swiss franc, US dollar Czech koruna, the euro Japanese yen, US dollar Mexican peso, US dollar Canadian dollar, gold, silver, the euro bond, USD bond, the Dow, the S&P 500, the DAX, CAC 40 of France. Then I'll have a look at Italy's MIB, at IBEX 35 of Spain, and two specific European stocks. One is Enel, the energy company of Italy, quoted in Milan, and the other one is France Telecom, that's quoted in Paris. Okay, another market that I mentioned recently, that's the US dollar, Canadian dollar, and I only focused on the very short term, if you remember. In fact, I was focusing on the market action right from here. And now I permit myself to look further afield, again, not with terribly high confidence. I am following what the market is pulling out here, and it appears to me that this is a move that is not about to reverse soon. And I think we are into something that could become pretty big. So I am taking this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and look what's going on here. We had a triangle, and yesterday it just smashed through the support here. It was really incredible the way, the speed in which it smashed here. This is, in my opinion, not just impulsive, but also a signal that there is further downside, and shouldn't surprise you with what's going on in gold, and what is likely still to go on with gold, because I don't think that gold has given us its last word. Gold has a very bright golden future ahead of it, together with silver, with all the hiccups that we will have on the upside on the way up, but there is plenty more upside coming, and that supports, of course, weakness in the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. So more downside here. Here's gold. I think that gold is settling. That's the daily. I think gold is settling on our fourth wave. Yesterday it rallied, it came back, but I think, in my opinion, this is a sign that it is consolidating before we get another shot. I could be wrong, but the wave count here supports that. We had an E ending here, if you remember. That's 1, that's 2, that's 1, that's 2. We had a 3, we had a 4, we had a 5. I think that's a third in black. And if I go to, let's go to a 60-minute chart. Here, do you see? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I think that the fifth might have ended here or here. I don't think it ended here. Yeah, some could make the case that it ended here. It's not going to change a lot. The only thing that would be different, if it ended here, the correction is likely to last at least throughout today's session, if not for another 2 or 3 sessions. If it ended here, it is possible that we will see an attempt to climb above this level today. Would be a brief correction, but yes, I can see this as a possible correction for a fourth wave. Ideally, it shouldn't really break above that in today's session. It should just continue maybe for another session or 2 in this tight range before we get the next leg that would look like that. So that's a very big move coming. I am, of course, invested in gold, and I consider putting more positions. And when I look at this chart, I am thinking to myself, well, where is the level that is going to go to sort of get me on edge, yeah? Would make me feel uncomfortable. And I think that a break of this level, I mean, when I entered several positions this morning here, and I was saying to myself, where could it go to sort of make me feel uncomfortable? I mean, a sharp drop down to this level would definitely worry me. I will probably keep some of my positions, but this is something that would worry me. I do not expect this to happen, but I am preparing myself mentally to this. To a spike, take all the stops from here, get knocked, get support from this, and then bounce up fast. Yes, this is something that I'm preparing myself for, and that should be a bullish signal. Yes, but making it all the way down to this level wouldn't look right. I think that the bull will not be dead in that case. It's just that we are probably going into a very, very lengthy correction. But right now, I think that the movement, the speed, and the structure operating in other related markets strongly suggest to me that we are basically in the first alternative that I mapped out for you. Yes, a tiny 3-4, and we are preparing for another short up. Same can be applied here to the chart of silver. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 3 4th wave. When a fourth wave, it could be done actually. If it's not, ideally it should stay above 31.75 around here. Could touch 31.25, but I really don't think it's got business coming down all the way there. Although theoretically, when you read about the Elliott waves, the principle, it is often mentioned that yes, it checks the level of the previous fourth wave, but I think that the dynamics, the movement here, just doesn't, in my opinion, doesn't warrant that. The force that we have here doesn't look. This will be out of character for the current move that we are seeing here. That will be out of character. Yes, technically, as I said, it could be 3-4, but I think it's more likely it will probably stop around here if it gets there. Yeah, the strongest would be around here, and that's, I think, what is more likely in our case. 3-4 and a shot. I'll be running through here, presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things, going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy, terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. The full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day, costs 79 euro only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch, intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many, many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is and what sort of, which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list. Highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential, and that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up. It comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription, and then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month, and that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. You like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, money bookers, alert pay. Choose which one suits you, and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many years, and I've seen a lot of things. I have also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.